I know we want everything to be jaldi jaldi, but I always keep this mantra with me. Everything is aligned, so it's very very easy for the universe to read my energy, to read my affirmation, whatever I'm sending out.
हाँ प्रेशर करना चाहिए, कैसी बातें कर रही है, तो कितनी प्यारी लड़की है, इतना सही काम भी करती है, सब कुछ सही करती है, तो चिल करना, तो इतना सोच मत ज़्यादा.
Hi and welcome back to Preshalicious. My name is Presha Bharti, and in this week's video I am going to share how I'm keeping myself positive in this acting journey of mine. So let's start the video. So I have always had a vision board that has my short term and long term goals. So like short term as in like what I want to achieve in 1 year and where I want to see myself in upcoming years. And every single day I see that vision board. Having a vision board is very very important. All of us know the power of manifestation. Every day when you are seeing your vision board in front of you, you're kind of sending that message to your subconscious mind. You know, that is my goal, that is where I see myself. So having a vision board makes it much easier for your subconscious mind to send that energy out in the universe. The second point is affirmations and visualization. I mean, if you guys don't know what affirmations are, repeating something like a mantra, like we chant mantra, those mantras have energy. So similarly, affirmations, whatever affirmations we say, they have their energy. So that travels to the universe and then you get back whatever energy you put in. I see myself as a successful working actor with an incredible amount of acting jobs. So let's say that's my affirmation. तो खैर काफ़ी लंबा हो गया, but ठीक है छोटा सा भी. I see myself as a successful working actor. So I would say I am a successful working actor. So that's my affirmation. So for anything to become your habit, you need to do it for 21 days. So that's why it's recommended for you to like either write or say affirmations for 21 days. Then visualization, I am supposed to be doing it every day, but I would be lying. I don't do it every day, but when I was in LA, I used to do it every day. When I was in Mumbai, I used to do it every day. Here in Delhi, my schedule is a bit effed up. In visualization, you just sit and you visualize yourself in that moment. I visualize and I just shut my eyes and I just stay in that moment and let that give me whatever emotion it gives me. Stay in that moment for about 30 seconds or a minute and then just let go of that energy. We are energy, everything around us is basically energy. All about the game of energy. So you do that. Vision board, affirmations, visualization. Then the next step that I do is whenever you give an audition, when you are walking out of the room, forget about the audition. It took me a while to get a hang of it because initially when I used to give auditions, I used to be like, oh, when am I going to receive the call? When am I going to receive call? Because the audition went well and everything was good. People liked me, I liked them. I did a pretty good job in the room. So when am I going to get the call? And I just realized if I'm going to give 500 or 1000 auditions or let's say 10,000 auditions of my life, I cannot keep doing this because like 98% of the times I do not get a call. So what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to just slide into depression? No, of course not. As soon as you step out of that room, forget about the audition. Like if people inquire na, how was your audition, what was it about, ये वो, भैया मुझे नहीं याद रहता. हो गया, अभी जब कुछ आएगा तब मैं बता दूंगी अच्छा ये था और इसका call back आ गया. That is what I do. The next step is conquering the negative thoughts. So here's a tricky part. I'm a very very sensitive human being. Feeling low, which is most of the days because we do not have jobs most of the days. Low on confidence, low on self-esteem, money issues, being answerable to people around you. What are you doing? अच्छा अब कैसा चल रहा है? अच्छा 1 साल हो गया, 2 साल हो गया, 5 साल हो गए. People around us are getting married. People around us are having kids and life is going on for them. It's a very very slippery road. A part of this job is to tackle that, dodging these negative thoughts and still showing up with that beautiful pretty face with a smile. This is the struggle. How you overcome those thoughts is when you get that thought, do not dismiss it. It's okay, you're a human being. You do get negative sometimes and it's okay to feel it and then just let it be. काम भी नहीं है, पैसे भी नहीं है, जो भी है, do not act on it. Do not engage with it. Move to the next thought. It's very, very difficult to not engage with those negative thoughts. It's easier said than done. मैं जानती हूँ. But once you are in the practice of having that belief कि होगा, अगले साल होगा, उसके अगले साल होगा, अगले 10 साल बाद होगा, definitely hoga, and that is called hope. The only way to beat a negative thought is by hope. As soon as you get negative, hope for something good. Hope is the only thing that kills all the negative thoughts that bog you down. Next is I don't take myself seriously. I do not take myself seriously. तो ना तो फेलियर मैटर करेगी ना सक्सेस मैटर करेगी. सक्सेस मिलती है बहुत अच्छी बात है, फेलियर मिलता है बहुत अच्छी बात है. Do not take that seriously, especially here, because it can push you to a path where you don't want to go. Success can push you to a path where you're consumed by yourself and your entity, and failure can push you down a path where you can't even look yourself in the mirror. Just be water. Next point is my favorite point, self-talk. मैं इतनी self-talk करती हूँ. Self-talk as in just sit with yourself and talk to yourself. It's a thing for crazy or delusional people, but that's what we are. We're actors and you need certain amount of delusion to think that I am an actor. I give myself a talk when I'm feeling low. I give myself a talk when I'm happy. I just talk to myself every single day. I don't think I live a day without talking to myself. If you are an introvert or if you've never done this before, maybe just check in before going to bed every night. तो मेरी आदत तो हमेशा से रही है, I just talk to myself. कोई मेरी बातें सुन लेगा ना, ऐसा लगेगा पागल लड़की है ये, ऐसे लगता है. बट ऐसा अभी ऐसा हो सकता है अगर किसी ने सुना हो, तो आई होप किसी ने अभी तक ना सुना हो. But usually जब मैं अपने रूम में होती, that's when I talk to myself. This is what kept me sane most of the time. I used to just talk to myself कि वो ऑडिशन का कॉल नहीं आया, या फिर वहाँ पे तो ऑडिशन के लिए नहीं बुलाया, तो क्या मुझे करना चाहिए. या तो मैं बोलती हूँ
हाँ बेशक करना चाहिए. कैसी बातें कर रही है, तो कितनी प्यारी लड़की है, इतना सही काम भी करती है, सब कुछ सही करती है, तो चिल करना. तो इतना सोच मत ज़्यादा. और बाकी कल देखते हैं, अगर आज अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो कल अच्छा हो जाएगा. कल तो डेफिनेटली अच्छा हो जाएगा, कुछ तो अच्छा होगा.
तो ऐसे ही अपना सेल्फ टॉक देती हूँ मैं और बस मज़े से चिल करके रहती हूँ. We're coming to an end of this video. Stay with me. So think that I'm 100% sure that is going to help you and me, but I don't do it, but I should be doing it, is having a schedule and yoga. So yoga really, you know how I was talking about energy, yoga really tames your energy and it sends out in the right direction. My chakras are balanced, my energy is balanced, then my affirmations and my affirmations and visualization will work 10 times stronger. Everything is aligned, so it's very, very easy for the universe to read my energy, to read my affirmations, whatever I'm sending out. So yoga, and second and most important thing, meditation. So yoga, meditation, very, very important, aligns you with your energy, aligns you with your thoughts, your dreams, helps you get a better control of your negative thoughts or whatever thoughts you want your mind to be engaging in. So last point, जो कि ना आपके हाथ में है ना मेरे हाथ में है, that is give time some time. I know we want everything to be jaldi, but I always keep this mantra with me, give time some time. So when each thing has its own course, it is obviously not running on my time, it's running on its time. I don't know its time and that's why I'm getting restless. मेरी चीज़ें मेरे timeline पे हो रही हैं और आपकी चीज़ें आपके timeline पे हो रही हैं, फिर वो कोई भी career हो. The only thing that's in my hands is being at it. With this, I wrap this video. I hope इस वीडियो से कुछ अच्छा मिला होगा आपको. अभी तक अगर हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, कमेंट कर दो. See, if you watch this video, my videos are any which way getting recommended on your page from now onwards, whether you subscribe or not. तो कर ही लो यार subscribe. If you are still here with me, just go ahead and comment all the best. Just go ahead and comment all the best. Okay, bye.
If I could make you see my wounded heart, you might realize what's the hardest part.